Well, 15 years ago I decided that I really wanted to have a studio in Port Chalmers, and so I rented underneath somebody's house, one of the terraced houses up in Grey Street, and the front half I made a shop so I could pay the rent for the studio. I moved down to the shop on the corner where the Union is now. Just all of a sudden took off and became much more of a business than a studio. Well, when I started in Grey Street, there was one rack of clothing, but that part sort of grew. It was more collectible, crockery and vases and things. And I ended up buying a costume hire business that had closed down, so I had all of a sudden masses of vintage clothing, and it became more about that than anything else. Yeah. We moved the shop in here, and that would have been about 8 years ago, I think, and we're still sorting it out. That's more or less the mending pile over there. It's kind of huge. So I do op shopping, and we go to the auctions in town as well, and I do quite a bit of travelling around the countryside to find things. There was a taxidermied cat. It was white and fluffy, and someone had done an excruciatingly bad job of the eyes and nose. It was quite something. The people that bought it absolutely adored it, but it did hang around for quite a while. I do quite a lot of collage work and ceramics and painting, printmaking and installation work as well. These big knitting Nancy's up here are part of something else I do. I've always had something on the back burner, so to speak, and that's basically what keeps me doing this, really. It's just a good space and an opportunity to be around all these resources.